Played in the air for a very short period of time, but will earn a couple of runs at least. Yeah, in the end, a combo effort by two fielders in the end. Short ball to Abdullah Shafiq off the back foot and two bounces over the boundary rope. Solid response by Abdullah. 4 runs.
Look at that. Not really on the back foot, but still saw the ball early.
Gone aerial, straight down the ground, couple of bounces into the fence. Abdullah Shafiq on the charge.
Yes, as if he almost knew the length. He was walking, not even charging down, and this is so comfortable.
Full toss, goes aerial. No fielder in that direction, and it wouldn't have mattered anyway because it's gone all the way. Just a gift from Salman Ali Agha, a rare one, and Abdullah capitalizes.
Show the stumps to the bowler, who then tosses it up, but he misses the length, and that was enough for Abdullah, and he's on to 33. And this is one to hit, and he hits it on the full to the boundary, and umpire will check, but I think it's a 6.
It seemed to be, well, it would have hit the skirting on the full. It just caught the top end of that Toblerone, so the signal will come, and indeed it has.
Excellently.
Yeah, runs for batsman. Long chase for Imran Jr. In the end, he bumped into the advertisements hoarding, but done well. And here comes 50 for Abdullah Shafiq. His 7th 50 in List A cricket. He's back in form, crucial for not only for Nurpur Lions, also for Pakistan.
He has supported his partner brilliantly, and Abdullah Shafiq gets to his 50. As an opener, Abdullah averages almost 40.
And this has gone up in the air. Abdullah Shafiq chancing his arm and is taken. So once too many times we have seen this in the tournament. 1 wicket falls and then the other partner goes without realizing that we have to build another partnership, and it's Abdullah Shafiq this time.
Spoke too soon about him. The temptation, Babar Azam said, you got to hold on to that temptation to go big. It was in his slot, but did not get the connection right. Got some runs, but wasted an opportunity to go big.